Hello, beautiful people and future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. Today we will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise and then we will be doing Jasmine tutorial. Alright, so we go to typing IO, which is my weapon of choice to improving my typing practice. And we will go from there. So Ruby on Rails, okay, I'm fine with that. Start the time, start the typing. That felt nice. So what is the oh, half of percent. So wonderful. So wonderful. But it comes and goes, so we'll see. The main thing is just continuing the practice. But I'm pleased, I will not lie. Wait a minute. Value. Ah, so many mistakes. And I'm out of the time. What a shame. Okay, so I go next to Jasmine. Oh, wow. Do I have a Jasmine? I don't have a Jasmine at all. Okay, so we I will find something, I guess. Jasmine, the documentation. This looks good. Uh, I think that's it. Okay, so stop this timer, and I will have a break, bathroom break. Okay, so stop this timer, start the Jasmine timer. Let's go. So Jasmine is behavior-driven development framework for testing JavaScript code. It does not depend on any other JavaScript framework. It does not require a DOM, and it has clean, obvious syntax that you can easily write tests. Okay, I like it. Fast. Batteries included. Everything you need. Node and browser. Run your browser test and Node. Same framework. Okay. Jasmine for Ruby. Run your tests. Jasmine for Python. Jasmine for Node.js. Oh, interesting how it's moving the logo. Well, never mind. npm test. Node.js, I think, is the thing I will be running. So let's create a project, shall we? Can have a look if I don't have one, but I don't think so. And it is XRSML playground, there could be something. Okay, so create that. Here, and we will new project. Oh, there's a project group. Oh, empty project. npm, that looks good. Okay, next. It will be Jasmine playground, and it will not be in Spring.io. We will put it in the playground. Okay, playground, Jasmine playground. This okay? Maybe it should be inside of playground. Create Jasmine playground. Yeah, in here. Finish. Name can no longer contain capital letters. Name of what? I guess name of the project. Okay. In this window, please. Okay. So we have something in here, and that's empty. That's completely empty. Okay. Here's like generating. Okay. Run. Cool, cool. And we will have a look what they are saying then. So I need to, for Node.js, npm install save dev initialize JASMINE in your project. Set JASMINE as your, okay, scripts. There's test JASMINE. Okay, so I will start putting in the things I, oh come on, it's copy, pasty, yeah, okay. So you will be installing. Okay, that was cool. That was quick. 4 seconds. I love it. Initialize JASMINE in your project. I don't know what the npx is. 8 seconds. That's nice. I love it. And after pouring my tea, we will continue. And then in the scripts, I will say tests is JASMINE. So yeah, so what did I copy? I did this whole thing, and I want disk, and I will paste it over like so. Save. Cool. Then I can do this, but right now it shouldn't do anything because I don't have anything in there. Npm test, right? Yeah. Test failed. Test failed? What do you mean test failed? There's like, okay, no specs found. Okay, cool. So we will, okay, more information. Using JASMINE, okay, we did that. You can install globally, okay. JASMINE init, npx JASMINE examples. Oh, wow. We can do that, I guess. And there's some customization, running, filter, reporter, so on. And about the getting started, the standalone for Ruby, maybe in docs will be the tutorial or something. Your first suit. Okay, that looks good. And we can... yeah, we'll do that. So I will create an empty file somewhere in here. Here we have a spec, support, Jasmine, JSON. I don't know how to structure this. So let's start something, and this will be directory, and we will name it first suite. First suite. Okay. I will see. Suits. Describe your tests. The describe function is grouping for grouping. It's for grouping related specs. Typically, each test file has one at the top. And probably I won't create an empty file in here. So I will do that. File, and it will be, how is it named? Your first suite MD. Your first suite .md, like that. Oh crap. Here, like that. Yeah, first tutorial. Then we will post here the link. So that will be our first suite, and here will be the actual link. What's wrong? Oh, it's the vice versa, it's the opposite way, right? So we'll, oh crap, what did I did? Okay, so it is the square ones, this will be, and then the round ones, and I will just steal it from here, and yeah, okay, now it works. And then we will say our next heading will be continuing, and we will fill this out later. I want to initialize a Git project, Git, create Git repository. Jasmine Playground is the place, yes. And we have a spec in here, support, Jasmine JSON. I have no idea. I will include all of them. Like so, besides the IntelliJ setting, I will do commit, and here I will say initial commit. Here we go. No, just commit. So then we will be writing our first suit. Did I read this? The string parameter is for naming the collection specs. Okay, so the first we have a describe, and then it has two parameters. The first is string and the second is a function. Okay. And inside of those there is it. Okay, there's it for naming the collection of specs, and it will be concatenated with specs to make a specs full name. The aids in finding specs in a large suite. If you name them well, your specs read as full sentences in traditional BDD style. Alrighty. So first suit, and we will create what? We will create a JS file, I guess. Or do we have, how does that look? That should be spectre.js, right? Or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. So I will first suit, and this is describe. So I guess I will do directory, and here we will say O1 describe, I guess. And here we will have a JS file, and this will be describe. Missing, yeah, yeah, I can create git ignore. Just empty is okay for the time being. And we will go back to our describe. And so we will say describe. Do I have to import anything, or how does that work? Describe, then there will be two parameters, a suite name, and the second one will be function. Yep, and inside of it will have a it block. It shall, how they have it, contains specs with an expectation. It contains spec. Maybe I don't need to do the space. Contains a spec with expectation. Okay, that is a function, right? And oh, maybe it should be inside of the it. Yeah, it is inside of it. And after the it, we have a semicolon. Okay. So we have a semicolon, and the second one will be also a function. And we will say x. Okay, and here is some problem. What's the problem in here? Unresolved. Alt enter. Create, rename. Maybe it will be okay. Expect. Okay, this is a problem. Expect true to be true. True to be true. Okay, and now I cannot run it. Okay, how do I run this? Help. That was in the get started. That was npm test or something like that, right? npm test. Okay, so let's try that, and I think it will fail. Npm test. No test. Test failed. No specs found. Okay, there's some step missing, evidently. Maybe I have to go through the detail Node.js setup. So you can install Jasmine using npm locally in your project with the above local installation. Yeah, we did init, Jasmine init, Jasmine example. Generate the example spec and resource and source files. Okay, so I guess I will do that. Oh, there's a spec files. Oh, maybe it's the different name and that will be it. So I will do rename, and the rename will be consisting of dot sub and do refactor. And maybe now I can run it and it will do something. No, that's not enough. So I guess we will run the Jasmine examples, and that will do something, I suppose. Okay, so more refactor. And so we have here Jasmine examples, spec helper. What is this? Before each. Jasmine adventures to be playing. I don't understand it. What about this guy? Player. And song is paused. Well, if I say npm test now, it will run something? Does it have to be in a spec? Yeah, it looks like it. So maybe I have it just in a wrong directory. 5 specs. Okay, so we'll move. We will move is here in the spec directory, and this will be tutorials, and I will move it here. Yes, put it in there. And I was having 5 specs, right? So maybe if I do npm test now, we will have 6 specs. Nice. That's what it does. That's what it does. Okay, cool. So tutorials, now it works. This is my progress on this guy. And I still cannot run it in here. Why is that? I need to configure my IntelliJ. Maybe. Jasmine in IntelliJ idea. I have that thing, right? If I do plugins, there should be Jasmine installed already. Yes. I don't have it. Ah, that's interesting. Run your Jasmine 3.0 right from IntelliJ. IntelliJ. Which version of Jasmine do I have? That will be here. Jasmine Playground. Okay, this is the project. It will be in the libs. Jasmine, no. Package log, what is this? Find Jasmine 3.5. Okay, I'll take that. So we do plugins, and we will say Jasmine, maybe Jasmine, and we'll install it. Okay, let's do it now. Restart. Takes a while. Is it done? Is it like what is happening? Oh, it's somewhere in the background, I suppose. Okay. Maybe now I will be able to run it right from IntelliJ. I hope at least. Tip of the day. Later. So I will navigate to the previous, and that was my scribe spec. Yeah, scribe spec. That's how I named it in the end. And after indexing all of that, I should be able to run it from here, right? And maybe not. Plugins. Jasmine. Install plugin homepage. How does it look? Maybe that's the thing I should do in the first place. Vendor, source code, license. That's okay. ID Jasmine, installation, download, configure. In the run menu, click on edit configuration. There should be new Jasmine default configuration. Click the plus to add new configuration. Select Jasmine. Add the template. Fill in your Node.js template. Select correct Jasmine package. Set the option. Run your tests. Okay. You know what this means. This means that we are over the time. That means we are done. Done is better than perfect. And I will see you next time. Bye.